In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email to case in Salesforce. This setup will allow you to automatically convert customer emails into support cases, making your customer service process more efficient and streamlined. Let's walk through this setup together and ensure everything is configured correctly. First things first, you'll want to log into your Salesforce account. Make sure you have administrative privileges, as this is necessary for some of the setup steps. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right of the screen. You'll see a gear icon, which is the gateway to your setup options. Click on this gear icon and then select Advanced Setup from the drop-down menu. In the Advanced Setup menu, head over to the Quick Find box at the top left of your screen. This tool is incredibly useful for navigating through Salesforce's many features. Type in Email to Case and the system will quickly locate this section for you. Click on it to proceed to the next step. Once you're in the Email to Case area, you'll want to click on the Edit button. Here, we need to enable the Email to Case feature. You might also see an option for On-Demand Email to Case. Depending on your business needs, you can enable this as well. Enabling these features will allow Salesforce to accept emails and create cases efficiently. After enabling Email to Case, you'll come across several settings. You'll see an option to set the case source, which should be set to Email. There's also an email threading token. This token helps to manage ongoing conversations by keeping all responses to a case threaded together for easy tracking. You'll also find another option to enable on-demand services. If applicable, activate this feature to allow Salesforce to queue emails, preventing delays during high workloads. Don't forget to save your changes. There's a Save button usually located in plain view, so press it to lock in all your adjustments. Now we'll set up routing addresses. These are the specific email addresses that will receive and create cases. Click on New to start entering your chosen email addresses. Each email address you add will receive an automatic confirmation email. It's important to verify each address in order for them to become active. Once verification is complete, perform a simple test by sending an email to one of these routing addresses. You're almost at the finish line. Now, find the email services address within Salesforce and send a test email to this address. This step checks that everything is operating smoothly. Finally, navigate to Salesforce's Cases section. You should see that the email has successfully been converted into a case. If everything has gone according to plan, you'll find your test email displayed among the cases, confirming that your setup is complete and operational. Congratulations on setting up email to case in Salesforce. Enjoy the enhanced efficiency this powerful feature brings to your support operations.